Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to present you how to change text border color in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change text border color in this document. Firstly, write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu. Then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then click the word art text and go to the format menu. Then find and select the text outline. Then choose any outline. I choose the red color or another color. Then again go back the text outline and increase the white to see the outline better. Now we can see here we change the text border color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.